How to log in into Pinterest account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's tutorial, we will learn how we can simply log in into Pinterest account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar, type in pinterest.com. That's going to take you to its official web page. Now to log in, navigate to its top right corner and click on login button. Here, this prompt will pop up in your interface. So for that, first of all, you have to enter email address associated with your account. So make sure to type in your correct email address. Under that, you have to enter your password. Here, make sure you type in correct password associated with your account as well. Or if you have created your account using Facebook or Google, you can simply log in using Facebook or Google account. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forgot your password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done providing your login credential, simply click on login button. And if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be directly logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.